Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to make instant pot beef biryani. You'll need ground beef, carrots, green beans, shallots, cilantro, basmati rice, curry paste, an Indian spice blend, and water. Chop the green beans, carrots, shallots, and cilantro. Add oil on the instant pot and saute the vegetables. Add the beef and Indian spice blend and saute until the beef is fully cooked. Add the water, the remaining Indian spice blend, and the curry paste. Add the basmati rice, mix everything, and then pressure cook. Fluff the biryani. Serve on a bowl and garnish with cilantro and crispy shallots. And then enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this instant pot beef biryani. Let me know what you think.